If you want to have a homogeneous concrete, you would mix cement and sand so that they weren't separate with each other.
ببینید من ماسه و سیم
I pour cement and sand in the concrete mixer, then they mix together, and now I don't see them separate. It means I have homogeneous concrete. For having a dry mortar, it depends on the sand. Please try to add water in 3 stages. In first stage, you add water to have humid mortar that cement start to react. When you're adding 30% water to mix with each other, you should wait for 2 minutes that they mix together. Now the mortar is prepared.